You probably heard about this. We have an official date announcement. You probably saw these invitations going around. Stars and whatnot. I mean, everybody tries to read into these invitations to determine what Apple is telling you. What is the insight here? We got a new iPhone coming. And we got a date on it now. Now, I don't know if anybody's been watching on Unbox Therapy, but I've had a couple of little model units of the upcoming iPhone, including a very high quality one. I don't know how long ago that was. I know you're on the page there. It was older than that. Those ones were okay because it showed off the different sizes. That was about a month ago. But the other video is a really high quality model of an iPhone 14 Pro Max first look. It's in the middle there. Yeah, there you go. And this was like a one-off that a company made, and it was one of the best model units I had ever held. It really, the weight of it,
Right.
the finish of it, I have never seen one as accurate. Now, granted, we don't have the iPhone 14 yet, but I presume accurate.
Yeah.
And when comparing it to the previous generation iPhone, the fit and finish was the closest I've seen on a model.
Huh.
But that was all the way back May 13th. Good Lord.
You got to bring the caliper.
I was having a good time with that caliper, I'll tell you what. Although I should have ordered one size bigger. But it's fine because it's easy to handle. And you know what? I'll just have more than one caliper, Will. Is that fine? Is that all right with you?
Sure. Yeah. No one.
Can a man have more than one caliper?
Might be too much power, though.
No one man can have all that power.
Sure.
Anyway, we have a date now, so never mind all the rumors and model units and all the rest of it. I mean, we know what the phone is going to be like and look like for the most part. We know it's not going to change all that much. But we know Apple's going to tell us that they've changed everything once again. We know Apple's going to tell us that this iPhone is the best iPhone they've ever made.
Yeah. Again.
We've reinvented the iPhone again.
Uh-huh. Heard that before.
Again.
Tim? Yeah. Although this has like a cryptic little banner.
Did I say the date September 7th?
Yeah.
Did I say that?
Thank you.
September
you didn't.
7th. It's not far, guys. It's going to be your usual madness, your ups and your downs. It's going to be your people with the face palms. It's going to be your people holding it out like this.
Yeah.
You know, the people that do these things.
Sure, yeah.
Including yours truly.
Uh-huh.
Although, no, I won't be because I won't be, have to wait like till I can actually get it 2 weeks later.
Sure, yeah.
Like a civilian, like a citizen,
Yeah.
which is fine, which is good. Let me ponder things a little bit more. But yes, you'll see that you'll be bombarded with everything is new when you know that everything is not exactly new, but it will be incremental improvements, and that's okay. That's fine.
What do you think this is, though?
Well, they're gonna do something with the astrophotography, right?
Really?
They're gonna do something.
That's what you think?
I mean,
I think you're right. I thought it was something to do with like AR.
You've been saying that you're so AR
Scanning.
and you're so AR VR.
I could be wrong because there's a galaxy over
I could
here.
just hold up like this Tim Hortons cup and you'd be like, "Hey, man, it looks." I'm pretty sure it's a teaser for AR. I'm like, no, Will, it's just I'm just holding a. You just all of a sudden
scan it. Put it in your
all of a
iPhone.
sudden, no, Zuckerberg is in your ear as usual, and all of a sudden you're saying metaverse to me, and I'm like, that didn't even come up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't actually see the teaser, so
Yeah.
it is stars.
I don't even know if you can play that because they got so many damn lawyers over there, man. The last time you played one of their commercials, you remember what happened? You played a little bit of the commercial in the show, and then 17 lawyers later, and we're lucky to be alive.
Yeah.
Okay, I might be exaggerating,
they
but
almost skinned us.
I mean, I might be exaggerating, but definitely, that clip was blocked worldwide immediately. Don't you dare comment on our commercial.
Yeah.
Man, why they gotta be so like that? Jeez. Lighten up.
Apple has a band hammer.
Why they gotta be so
big?
They gotta be so like that. Like you can't even watch the commercial? Well,
Apparently not.
you can't even watch the commercial. I don't even think I said anything negative. I can't remember. I think I was like, cool, they're playing up their durability or ceramic shield or whatever it was. And they're like, banned.
Yeah, you're not pooping on it.
Don't you dare. I'm like, hey guys, check out the coolest commercial ever. Banned.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's kind of the way they behave. And well, we all know about this. We all know about
Tim
this.
Cook punches you through the screen.
We all know about this.
Yeah.
You want to know the crazy thing about it, though, Will? And I know all this stuff is, it's in person at the Steve Jobs Theater. So it's not a virtual one anymore. Did you see that? Join us in person for a special event at the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino. So that's
they're opening back up.
Okay, so that's something worth noting. You want to know something, Will?
What's that?
Even if they sent me this invite, this is funny enough. I couldn't even actually go. My life does not facilitate that trip at this moment on September 7th.
Yeah, you got to link a lot of things.
So you know what? Keep your invitation.
Jesus. This is a lot here.
Oh my God. I'm not joking, man. Like life is happening fast, man, around me. It's crazy. I'm going to need that device over here. You got to get it to me at this point. Like I can't.
Okay, yeah.
It's become so hard to travel. So hard.
Right.
I mean, I guess you could go. We could send you. Who knows? Maybe that's exactly what Tim is looking for. He's like, screw that Lou guy. If I could just get Willie Doo over here to Cupertino, we'd be all set.
I don't know if I'll fit in.
No? You think
Start breaking stuff.
they're going to boycott you as well? I mean, what have you ever done? What have you ever said?
I don't know. I might break things.
Really?
Just walk into glass walls.
Just a bull in the...
China shop?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Is that the saying?
Yeah, that's me.
I don't even know why. Well, the iPhone 14 lineup will likely be the main attraction. Apple is rumored to introduce 4 models: a 6.1-inch iPhone 14, a 6.7-inch iPhone 14, a 6.1-inch. Oh yeah, that's the key factor. You can see it broken down in my most recent video. No more mini phone, and instead a big non-pro phone. For those on a budget. So everybody wants the big phone, Will, and the sales say it. So stop arguing. Stop whining. You know what that's from? Stop whining. No?
Ren and Stimpy?
It's when you used to have the soundboard and it was Arnold Schwarzenegger. Stop whining. I can't do Arnold at all.
That was terrible.
Go ahead, you give it a shot.
Sound like Ren and Stimpy.
You give it a shot.
I don't want to.
Arnold, stop whining. Well, you can't criticize my shot if you don't attempt your own.
No. I know mine is
Stop
worse.
Stop whining. Stop whining.
Oh, God.
Let me actually bring it up right now. Stop whining, Arnold. Are you bringing it up at the same time? No, we need to get to the bottom of it here.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
I don't think I was that far off.
Really?
Stop whining. Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
I think you need some work
Stop
there,
whining.
bud.
Stop whining.
Yeah.
Stop whining.
What were we talking about?
Stop whining.
Oh, boy.
The kids are soft. You lack discipline. But I've got news for you. You're mine now. You belong to me. You're not gonna have your mommy run behind you anymore and wipe your little douches. Oh no, it's time now to turn this mush into muscles.
Bro, we're going to get slapped by...
No, because I didn't
Arnold.
show the video. It's just the audio, man. Kindergarten Cop, is
We're
that?
going to get Arnold lawyers.
I think it's from Kindergarten Cop. It's time now to turn this mush into muscles. There's a quote from Arnold in Kindergarten Cop. You know what, Will? Every so often you gotta lighten it up, all right?
Okay, yeah.
You can't take yourself
I
too
need to work on
seriously
that.
here, all right? So no more small phone, 2 big phones. iPhone mini is dead. The notch goes to the hole punch selfie camera, pill-shaped cutout Face ID. that many are excited about, also featured in the videos that I made. Perhaps an always-on display mode and a boost in the megapixel count on the main camera up to 48 megapixels. And autofocus-enabled front-facing camera as opposed to a fixed focus. So here are some guesses via The Verge for what the space element might have to do with. The far-out tagline, maybe updates to the telephoto camera, maybe. Or a long-rumored satellite connectivity of some kind. Or astrophotography, yeah. Well, listen, we got to wait and see. September 7th, I don't know, maybe you and I will do a stream right from here. We don't have to go anywhere.
During the event?
I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe we'll do a recap. Maybe we'll just play kindergarten cop clips instead. I can't say for sure.
Okay.